Defining the law of attraction, revealing the forces at play is a profound and comprehensive exploration of the idea that our thoughts and feelings can shape the reality we experience. This insightful guide delves deeply into the intricacies of the law of attraction, uncovering the dynamic interplay between consciousness, intention, and the universe. It examines the historical roots of this concept, tracing its origins from ancient philosophies to modern self-help movements, and highlights how different cultures and traditions have understood and utilized these principles. The book provides a detailed examination of the scientific theories and psychological frameworks that support the law of attraction. It explores quantum physics and neuroscience, shedding light on how our brain and the universe interact on a fundamental level. Through a blend of scientific evidence and anecdotal experiences, it offers a balanced perspective on how and why the law of attraction works.